for doing maybe an hour and a half on 3 pine logs. I got a bunch of, I want to say there's 11, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11 2x6s, some 1x6s, maybe 8 or 9, and then probably 12 to 13 1x4s, and then a bunch of stickers. So that was all done tonight by the Wood-Mizer LX 25. Let me tell you what, folks, if you're thinking about getting a sawmill, like an entry mill, I would highly recommend this. If you have any questions about it, please drop them in the comments. I usually respond to my comments, all of them, within 12 hours. So if you have any questions or want to see more of the sawmill, check out my channel. I'm approaching 1,000 subscribers, so click that subscribe button and give me a like.